Welcome to the AnyDESIGN Tutorial 3 for aluminum alloy. Open New Project. Select aluminum for casting alloy and select generic molding machine. Confirm the mold material is green sand. Open Design Target. Set casting yield at 60%, then click recommended filling time. Input target weight and press OK. Open Add Material. Under aluminum alloy, click AC4C. Open Material Assign. Select the materials for casting, mold, core, and press OK. Next, import the product. Select the product file and press OK. The user may also change the working plane to however they wish and create their own user viewpoint to reference to the same viewpoint they have been using. Under the Analysis tab, click Thickness Map. Move the scroll bar and check the thick areas to see the predicted shrinkage areas. Import core. Select core file and open. Under Tool, select Section Enable and move the section plane to Observe. Select the product and core and link. Click the draft angle icon and check the contours. Click Parting Line, then select Use all edges cut by work plane, then check the parting line. Click the mold and set the mold size to 900 by 700 by 400 and the drag height at 140. Check the parting plane and click Apply. Under Tool, click Insert Image. Select the image file and open. The user may adjust the image and opacity, and also the image can be adjusted with the mouse or by inputting the parameters. This concludes part 1 of tutorial 3. In this part, we will begin the modeling. Click pouring path and set the pouring path in the desired location. Enter the parameters for the pouring path, such as the diameter, height, and the type. Then click the path line and set the path line connected to the pouring path. Set the path line for cope and enter the parameters. The user can use the hotkey L to access the path line without clicking it every time. Set the parameters for the created path line, then click Filter. Set the filter in the desired location and set the filter's thickness, width, and height. Then connect the path line to the filter and reposition the filter. Then we will set another path line, and we will set the path line connected to the filter to one edge. Set the path line as cope and enter the parameters. We will do this for the other side as well. Next, click Joint. Add the joint to the end of the path line to connect another path line to the end. Adding a joint indicates that the path lines are connected. Next, click Side Riser and place the side riser at the end of the path line. Adjust the size of the riser and input the parameters. Right-click the side riser or Control and left-click to copy and paste. Reposition the side riser to the end of the other path line. Next, click Neck. Connect the riser neck with the product. Then, input the parameters for the riser neck size. Once again, we will copy and paste the neck. Click Top Riser. Adjust the size of the top riser after moving to desired location, then adjust the riser size. We can then copy and paste the riser and move it to the desired location. Next, we will install the vent by clicking Vent. Add the vent in the desired location, then adjust the vent size if necessary. We will copy and paste, which we can do by holding Ctrl and left click and dragging to copy, or we can copy it and use Ctrl V to copy it like I am doing here. After modeling our casting design, we can turn off the reference image, go to our desired user viewpoint, and then build into 3D shape. This concludes the modeling part of tutorial 3. In part 3, we will analyze our casting design. Click Section Tracking in order to check the sections. Then click Health Check to check the status of our casting. We can observe the health check details, and we can double-click Height of Product and Riser to see the information. Then click Runner Auto Resizing. Adjust the filling time and ratio to the user's definition. Click Execute. The runner will automatically be resized to the user input values. Then select the last step and press OK. Click Riser Auto Resizing. Set the target ratio. Click Execute to run. This will automatically resize the risers. We can observe the improved casting yield. Click the last step and press OK. Then build the casting design into 3D Build and click Execute. If the user owns any casting software, Then pressing execute will immediately export STL files to AnyPre. Then we can check our casting design in AnyPre. This concludes part 3 of tutorial 3. In part 4, we will do the cost analysis. Click Cost Analysis. Under Settings, the user can set the primary currency, the secondary currency, and the date of the exchange rate. In Design Target, input the cost per product and the estimated defect ratio. The process capability shows the average production and the molding and working time. The average cost shows us the main sections of the cost. Material cost shows us the subsections of the materials. Labor cost shows us what costs go into labor. Manufacturing overhead shows us the subsections, and then general expenses is for the general expenses used. Lastly, the profit or loss is calculated automatically by AnyDESIGN. This concludes tutorial 3.